Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to talk to ChatGPT using your voice and get real-time voice replies like an actual conversation, in this video I'll show you how to enable voice-to-voice mode in the ChatGPT application on your phone with the latest 2025 update. First, download the official ChatGPT app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Make sure it's made by OpenAI. Open the app and log into your account. Make sure you are using GPT-4, not GPT 3.5, because voice-to-voice only works with GPT-4, which comes with ChatGPT Plus. At the bottom right corner, you will now see a waveform or mic-like icon. Tap on that. You can now ask your question out loud and ChatGPT will speak the answer back to you instantly and naturally. You can also change the voice and choose from multiple voice options, but this voice feature is currently only available for ChatGPT Plus users. That's the paid version. So make sure you are subscribed for that. And that's it. You'll now be able to have full voice conversation with ChatGPT right from your phone. It's fast, smart, and super fun. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.